Hello everyone, welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to copy a string to the clipboard programmatically. This is a practical feature widely used in web applications. For example, when copying a link, sharing content, or working with form inputs. We'll build a solution that works seamlessly across browsers by creating a temporary text area element, leveraging JavaScript exec command method, and managing the user's text selection. Let's get started. The objective of this program is simple. We take a string as input and copy it to the system clipboard, making it ready for pasting anywhere. To accomplish this, we will create a temporary text area element to store this string. Use the browser's exec command copy to copy it, and finally, clean up the temporary element. This ensures we don't interfere with the user's experience, even if they had something already selected on the page. This is our JavaScript solution. We first create a temporary text area element and set its value to the string we want to copy. To ensure it doesn't interfere with the page layout, we position it off screen using CSS. The string is then selected, and the exec command copy method copies it to the clipboard. After copying, the text area element is removed, keeping the page clean. Finally, we restore the user's original text selection, ensuring their experience remains uninterrupted. This method is reliable and compatible with most browsers. This process involves 6 key steps. First, we create a hidden text area to hold the string temporarily. We then set the string's value into the text area. We save the user's current text selection to restore later. We then use the exec command copy method to copy the string to the clipboard. We remove the temporary element to ensure a clean DOM, and we restore the user's previous selection, maintaining a seamless experience. This approach guarantees that the program does not interfere with the user's existing workflow. Let's walk through an example. The string hello clipboard is passed as input. The program creates a hidden text area containing this string. The string is copied using the exec command copy method. The temporary text area is deleted. After running this program, the string hello clipboard is available in the clipboard and ready to be pasted anywhere. The ES6 version uses modern JavaScript features for cleaner and more concise code. Arrow functions and ternary operators make the code more readable without compromising functionality. In summary, this program provides a reliable method to copy text to the clipboard using JavaScript. By leveraging a temporary text area and the exec command copy, we ensure compatibility across browsers while maintaining a smooth user experience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.